And here we go again. We've got a red alert, red alert. Come on, doggy, let everybody know. Up here, go up. Dog does not like this. Okay, for 29 seconds, 30 seconds of the alarm. Nothing in the sky. Yes, we know you don't like it, Princess. No, she's not happy. We're already over a minute of the siren. Ah! Is that it? Is that it? That might be it. Do we hear any booms? Any other noises? Okay, go on, let's go inside. I don't hear anything. I don't see anything. Nothing in the sky. It's quiet. I don't... Okay, that's it. Nothing. Oh, did you hear that? I hear stuff happening up there. I don't see anything. Okay. So, don't know what went on, but that was our alert, and that was our siren, and we've got the all. We don't have the all clear, but we're done. We're good. We're inside. Okay, you know who protects us. Do you? It's Hashem, and only Hashem. Everything else is just an illusion. Have a wonderful night.